I've got multi-tool, I've got drills, I've got broken drill bits in there. This is my nemesis, it's doing my head in. That's what we can do. And that's what we can do. Honestly, I feel like I've been to war with that one. I hate all this sometimes. Welcome back, YouTube. I'm not afraid to say that plumbing kicked my arse this week. It really did. So we had a plumbing repair booked in. And most of the time you might get a few complications, get held up a little bit. This one drove me insane. It really did. Should have been there an hour. It near enough took me all morning. So hopefully you'll enjoy watching me struggle on that one. But also you might pick up a few hints and tips. There's a couple of tools that I'm using there that might help you out. I just want to say thank you again for your support. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please look at subscribing. It really helps me out. If you got any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll always do my best to get back and answer you. Give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, enjoy the struggle. Faulty toilet. We have got the siphon not working, so the customer here has tied it up because it just keeps overfilling. Yeah, so we'll somehow get this out. But of course, screws and rusted and bolts underneath us. The actual job is simple enough. It's always the nuts and the screws that hold you up. So yeah, no isolation valve either, so I'm going to have to turn the water off. So let's get the water off, get it disconnected and see how we get on with these screws. That's the first thing to do. Impactor, hopefully. No. Absolutely not. Brilliant. So at the moment we are having our ass kicked by these screws. I've tried my impactor, I've tried a pair of grips, I've tried cutting them. Just can't get in there to cut it, so it's bouncing off them. I think I might have to drill these out, you know. Screws are the bane of my life. I've tried drilling them, cutting them, everything. What I'm going to try and do now is loosen the nuts under here, just see if we can get a bit of wiggle. A little bit of wiggle. Now for the nuts, yeah. The rusties are like that. I've got an attachment for my impact driver. If you have wing nuts, I should be able to go to all that and just be gentle. If I undo it or snap it, that will just be really gentle though, because like you don't want to break the pan. So yeah, that's it. I've got any wiggle on this. Nope. I think it's all silicone in as well. Oh my god, this is a nightmare. Truly a nightmare, this is. I'm not even kidding. I've been here 25 minutes now. Absolutely butchered that one, but it's come loose. This one, yeah. I've got multi-tool, I've got drills, I've got broken drill bits in there, one that's just dropped out. I mean, it's eating through me still, drill bits. I mean, granted, they're only the park side ones, cheap and cheerful, but this is my nemesis. It is doing my head in. I think we got it. Oh, we got it. We got it, but it's silicone and tile in that. God. Breathe. Come on. Oh, we got it. Oh, we got it. What the fucking hell is on there? Oh, we made it. Thank God for that. Sorry for the shoddy camera work, but yeah. I'm so grateful that's it. I've never been happier for a system to come off the toilet. My God, what a nightmare. You can see all the condensation caused all this to us. I'll get a new donut on there, clean the back of this off. So just mounted it in silicone. Wow, that's warm. That is so warm on the back of there. Probably I've been going fatty with the the tools. But I'll try and get them out. Pair of grips, stick my tongue out. Hopefully I can get them out. I'll put new fixings in there. Yeah, just got a new donut, siphon, and I did bring a bottom entry fill valve. So, yeah, you know what? Well, we've got all this out. I might as well do a lot. How long is it going to take me to do the fill valve? Not long. Might as well get it done while I'm here. But customer make up tea when I come off. I'm going to have that, have a break, and yeah, then crack on. So first thing we did was pull off the old donut seal. Lovely. There it is. Just underneath there. Yep. Then I'm just going to get a big peg whip and try and undo that. Jeez, I've got tight on what I thought. There we go. stick your tongue out, and it'll come undone. So eventually the nut will come off. Play it off, give that a whack. Bye siphon, sorted. Right, I'm going to clean up this surface, clean up that, then we can put in new 3-part dual flush valve from Viva. Yeah, I normally go for Thomas Dudley when I've got them, or I've got them in stock, but City Plumbing at the moment is all stock in Viva, and to be honest with you, it's been good stuff, to be fair. Yeah, I've got a brass shank on there. These are dead easy. If you ever come across one of these before, in the future, you got to replace. I'll show you once it's done how easy it is to replace this. It is dead easy. And we've got a new donut washer there. Might be a bit too. That's going to be too big, isn't it? I'll have a look in a minute. Fill valve, just undo that nut. If these are tight, just get your multi-tons clean through there. Don't mess about, but this one's really loose, so I'm just going to do that. Pull that out. Already pulled the siphon out. Pull my drill bit out, it's snapped. Brilliant. Yeah, new siphon is ready to go. Just drop that there with the seal. Straight down there. All the way around. Make sure you point the hook towards your handle. Else it won't work. Pop that down there, and we can get in and put the nut. Close coupling kit. We've got the fill valve in now. I want to show you how easy these are to adjust. So, see that there? Just put it. Yeah, just attach the end of that. Just pull it out. And that's it. You can adjust it on the side here. You can just adjust where you lock it. Also, it's got this adjustment here. You just turn it to whatever height you want. These plugs, it'll tell you all this in the instruction manual for the plugs on the side, just there. There's a certain order they're going for the different sides of the flush, but yeah. And when you want to put it back in, it just goes. So it lines up with there, pushes down into there, put it to whatever height you want, lock, done. So when you come into this, nice and easy to take out. Right, let's get the handle attached and have a look at doing the donut washer. To show you, the old one's failed. Now you can replace them diaphragms, but there's no way to split the parts up. You literally have to take it out to the diaphragm and put it back. So yeah, for the cost of a new siphon, just bang a new siphon in. So all that's been replaced, all new internals in there. Sorry for the bad angle. Got a different washer out the van. That should fit nicely. So yeah, let's get this back on there. But the problem I've got is because it's a new donut washer, I need to compress it enough to get it back under this lip where the tile is tiled around it. Let's put some weight on that and tighten up the nuts underneath there, so do we? Try and get it pushed back into there. We got it in there, the screws are still snapped off inside there, so I can't get it fixed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to put a bit of silicone across there, and it'll stop the movement. And then keep it secure. And all you got to do then, if you want to get inside, get this off again, just cut the silicone out the top there. I'm not going to put it down the back, just a bead across there, just to, well, to be honest with you, that ain't going anywhere anyway. Right against the wall. So what I'll do is get the water on, fill it up, make sure it all works, and have a tidy up. I'm in a bit of disarray at the moment. That's probably one of the hardest toilets I've come across in a long time. That has been some graft. So, just got the water on, snow isolation valve, that's a bit tight to get one in. Went downstairs, turned it on, went upstairs, water going everywhere. What the? Went back downstairs, just grabbed a couple of towels that was on the bathroom, just threw them. I was like, what's going on? Turns out I hadn't tightened up the nut on the sofa enough, because what I had to do, I had to undo it to adjust it. I've just totally forgot to tighten it. Bloody hell. What an idiot. Oh well, I've tightened it all up now, it's all back in, the water's on. What I want to do now is flush it and see what happens. I've got no leaks out there, I want plenty of flush down there. Bill level, you can see where it was before, so we'll try and get it there again. We'll adjust that in a minute. Looks look pretty good so far. I'm going to have to tidy up and double check everything on there. Right, feel like it's all done. You back on. Flush. Beautiful. Let's look at that 2 hours. That's absolutely not man. Only quite for about an hour. More film here. But yeah, that's all back on. Toilet done. I feel like I've been to war with that one. I hate toilets sometimes. I really do. Sometimes it can just be a breeze. Other times it can be like that. Them screws was an absolute nightmare. However, you're seeing the siphon now, you can replace that from the top. Happy days. And the fill valve, like, yeah, again, that's just an easy job. It's the siphon more than anything. So replaceable parts on that, nice and easy to get out. That toilet should be good for another 20 years. That's how long they've had it, 20 years. So that's the old one they do too bad, did it? 20 years. My God. But yeah, that was that one. That's that one. All done. This one, we've got a block toilet. One of the kids have actually shoved something down the toilet, and the same when they're flushing it, the water's coming up high. They tried to get their hand in, can't do it. So unfortunately, I have to get the toilet out and see what's behind there. Oh, this is going to be fun. Now looking at it, there is nothing holding. Oh. Right, that's a good start. That's siliconed in. That's siliconed in. And that's siliconed in. Beautiful. Although you just love it. So there's no screws behind there. It's just silicone there, silicone there. You can see there. Yeah, it's just come loose. Should have enough on that flexi to not have to turn the water off and pull it out, and let's see what's going on. Ew. There it is, sportsman's. Here, Plumber, I said, it'll be fun. That's a freaking lovely, it's fun. Yes. There we go, fecal matter the lot. Beautiful. They're all back. Oh yeah. We've got a flushing toilet with no legs. However, we have nowhere to, we've got absolutely nowhere to put fixing. I've gone to turn the water off. Stopped, I've seized up. The one outside you can't get to. I can't take that off to get the toilet out of the way to drill the fixing holes. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. At the moment today, I'm about an hour and a half behind. This was one of them jobs like, I'll pop my head in, come and help you out. Because I'm near taking the toilet out, doing that. It's like a 10-15 minute job. But not when it's been installed like that. Obviously, you'd undo the screws on the base, undo the screws at the back, pull it out. You might have to do a bit of silicone in for the silicone dip. Job done. But when there's no fixings and there's no way to turn the water off, I have time for this. I'm just gonna have to put it back as it is, and just tell them, like, yeah, I can come back and do it properly, but I'll have to quote you. So I just haven't got time to sort all this out. So yeah, one thing I'm learning as I'm self-employed, always expect the worst. Unless it's your job, just imagine it's been a bodge job. So I'm just gonna have to silicone this one back in. It goes against everything that I stand for. I don't like having to do this, but I've got no choice. I've got no time, honestly. I really haven't. Okay, let's just get it done. So I've just put a quick layer of silicone all around the bottom, through them holes again, and at the back. I feel absolutely disgusting doing that, but honestly, I've got no time here. I've still got 3 jobs to do. It's 3 o'clock. So yeah, that's that one all done. Flushing. I do wish I had more time to do it properly, drill the holes, you know, secure it to the back. But you know, sometimes life is just like that. The customer's got a toilet that's working there. That's the most important thing. I will tell the customer, I'll tell them, you know, it needs to be done properly. If they get it done, it's up to them. I will quote them. I think I'm back here to do a boiler service, so I could tie it in with that and see what they want to do. But job done.